phone on do not disturb, still it finds me. One wrong text, then the room gets icy. I said I'm done, I said I'm clean. Then your name pops up like it owns me.